Hello and welcome. Now, in this video, you're about to see a replay of a bit of a live workshop that I did where I demonstrated how you are now going to upload your videos to your high-level sub account or your lead connector account. And this should be a lot easier and a lot faster than it used to be. And so this will really help you if you're trying to get your videos into your high-level sub account or your platform. So the video you're about to see is going to look a little weird because I did it live originally, but that is the context for this video. It was a live presentation. I was asked a question, and it's going to show you now the new process that you're going to use in order to get videos into your courses and to get them in there quickly. If you go to the media storage area, and let's say that what I want to do is I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this um, chat GPT images, right? So I'm now in the sub account, right? So everybody should recognize I'm in the sub account right now. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to now go and upload. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go get those videos, right? So I'm going to go to my hard drive. So they've done some things to make it a little easier, right? So I still may put the link here, but this is going to make your life a lot easier. So you're just going to go and get all of the videos and you will upload them, right? So it's going to bulk upload all those videos for you, right? So now all the videos are now uploaded. I'm going to sort them, right? A to Z. And I start with number one. I can get the link. And this is how you're going to create your courses, right? The real time consuming thing was getting those videos uploaded. And so now you can do that in bulk. And let's say we'll just do this one, we'll upload the video, and then I put that link in there, right? And my link is there. So that was the live presentation. So remember that you do get access to an account just like this in order to host your video courses and to sell them, and that this account now connects to Warrior Plus, where you can sell all of your products. To do that, go to the plrshow.com/ultimate insiders or the plrshow.com/insiders. You can sign up as an ultimate insider, and you will then have access to this place where you can upload your video courses. There are no limits on the number of courses that you can sell. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.